Oh, hi. Welcome to Now What with Britt and Shawn. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Britt. On our channel for grades K to 8, we learn new things and have some fun. Woohoo! Hey Shawn, what have you got there?
I have this picture that's supposed to have a hidden image in it, but I've been looking at it all day and I can't find it.
Oh, you mean that sailboat right there?
A sailboat? Where?
Right there. Just relax your eyes.
Oh, there's the sailboat. How is that possible? How can there be a sailboat in there?
It's because it's an optical illusion.
What's that?
Optical refers to how people see. When you look at something, your eyes collect information that's processed by your brain. Since your eyes are constantly collecting information, your brain takes shortcuts to help you concentrate on what's important. These shortcuts can cause your brain to be tricked into processing something that isn't really there. For example, your brain might perceive movement in an image that isn't really moving. It might perceive colors or shapes that aren't really there. Or it might miscalculate the size of an object.
Wow, how am I ever going to believe what I see? Britt, are you really there?
Yes, Shawn. I'm not an optical illusion.
So the picture I was looking at earlier actually was art with an optical illusion in it?
That's right. Artists use colors, shapes, and patterns in special ways to create optical illusions in their work.
Can we see some more?
Sure.
Well, this one's easy. It's a young woman. Are you sure this is optical art?
Yup. Some optical art uses ambiguous images. You may see a young woman, but others may see an old woman. What do you see? How about this one? Do you see a rabbit or a duck?
I see a giraffe.
Some optical art uses lines and shading to create depth, causing images to look three-dimensional.
Whoa, look out, a hole!
Other optical art uses kinetic illusions to make it look like images are moving.
Oh, this one's making me feel a little bit dizzy. I think we should go back.
Okay.
Wow, op art is so cool. We should make our own.
But how?
I'll show you. For this activity, you're going to need a pencil with an eraser, a ruler, some colored markers, and a sheet of white paper. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to place our hand on the paper. And you're going to want to use the hand that you don't normally write with because we're going to need our writing hand to trace our hand. So we're just going to trace the outline of our hand. It doesn't have to be perfect. The next step is we're going to take our ruler and we're going to draw lines that go horizontal across the piece of paper, but we're going to make sure not to actually draw the lines within the hand yet. And I'll show you what we do afterwards. And your line should be probably about maybe 1 centimeter to a 1/2 centimeter apart. It's up to you. And we're just going to draw the lines on the outside of the hand, not on the inside of the hand. So we just want to draw a line, skip the hand part, and continue on the other side. Okay, now that we've drawn our lines horizontally across the piece of paper, and like I said, as you notice, we have not drawn any lines inside of our hand, so now it just looks like a hand in the front of a background that has all lines. What we're going to do is now we're going to attach the lines, but what we're going to do is we're going to make the lines a little bit curvy going up, and that's going to give the illusion that our hand is three-dimensional. And you're just connecting from one line, you're going up, almost like a little bit of a curve, like an arch, and you're connecting to the other line on the other side. When we get to the fingers, it's a little bit trickier, so we're not going to go all the way along it. We're going to make little arches in the fingers. So that way they have their own little bumps or a three-dimensional shape to them. So we just want to curve to that. Just up like that. Okay, now that we've attached our straight horizontal lines with our new little archy lines that are on top of our hand, we are now going to start coloring the lines all the way across. Now when we do this, we want to use different colors. You don't have to use too many colors. I'm probably going to use about 4 different colors, but you can choose to do as many as you'd like. There's your 3-dimensional hand.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, it was. Can I see what you made?
Sure. I made a different kind of op art. I used blue and orange to create hidden images in my work. Can you find them?
I can see a butterfly,
Yep.
a rose,
Mm-hmm.
and a maple leaf.
You got it.
Now what?
Optical illusions aren't just in art. You can look for them in your everyday life. For example, you might see faces in inanimate objects, mirages in nature, or hidden images when you look up at the clouds.
If you had fun with us today, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so we can have more fun together. And now for next week's activity, drum roll please. Homemade volcanoes. So don't forget to tune in. See you next time.